June 4th. Coming back from skiing. Going over Guanella Pass. Holy cow. The overlook. I heard this is a pretty hairy road. We're about to find out. Not too many people up here on a Thursday night. Wow. Unbelievable. Got 3 fish today. My first 3 fish in Colorado. And I think I'm going to put my eyes on the road. Looks like it drops off there pretty good. I'm gonna get a little road damage here too. Oh boy. Looks like I'm back in Staten Island. Holy cow. Probably one of the better days of my life. Worked all day. Left the house about 3:30. Went to the North Fork of the South Platte, and I got lost. I didn't get lost, but it was running a little high, so I ended up making a wrong turn and ended up in Bailey, so I figured I'd go up Guanella Pass. Ooh, some snow, look at that. And then I went up to Guanella Pass, and I took a left before I got to the summit, and found a beaver pond section about a mile long, maybe 2. And pulled 3 little brookies out of there and got 2 other bites. So I figured instead of going back through Bailey, I go back through Georgtown, but I have to go over the pass. And I made it over the pass. I'm coming down the pass. I don't know what the heck that is. I'm dropping into 2nd or 3rd here. What a cool place.